Game review. Game review. Okay, I'm gonna play Shooty Skies. And I already know how to play. I use the directional pad's moves, and the space shoots the weapon. Ooh! Gift, and this. And that gives me helpers. And if I let go of space, I have a weapon. So that's cool. I like this. This is cool. Like, I don't know, it reminds me of Minecraft, but like, it also reminds me of Deep Space Warfare, especially because of the helper. Haha, psych. Nope, not killing me. Oh, gimme. Haha, psych. Wide shot. No, you don't. Haha. Oh, that's cool. I wonder what that thing at the top means. Is that my life, or is that how much I've done with the level? Nope. Come on. Ooh. Are you kidding me? Stupid thing. Come on, since you need to die. Die already. Die. So, those are computer screens, like YouTube videos. Haha, die. My present. Crossfire. Die. Want a quarter? What are you talking? Oh jeez, the Easter Bunny's here. Happy Easter, everybody. Oh, I almost ran into that thing. This is cool. Its theme song's cool. Oh jeez, hurry up. Oh god. Super cute, next level. Oh! There's another level, wow. Aha, and 0 deaths. Triple guns. Oh, come on. I moved at that in time. God damn it. Is this, what is that? Triggered. Tacky. Haha. Yeah, die. Oh god. Tetris. Not Tetris, but... No. Oh, 0 deaths. Getting away with murder. Oh, another partner. Give me that. What did I hit? What was that? Nothing. 0 deaths. Come on, shoot the power up. Haha, you're dead. My special... My gift. Grab it! Double guns. Yeah. Oh jeez, that probably would have killed me if I got any closer to them. Oh come on! I didn't know he was going that fast. Mystery box unlocked. Yeah, what is that? Ooh! Double guns. Yeah, equip. Yeah! This music reminds me of Ape Escape 2 now. That music right there. Oh, that's cool. Double guns. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna play one more time. Okay, I don't know why that passed me. Gimme. I keep hearing meows. What is meowing? Is that me? Am I a cat? Gunny rabbit. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh my god, it's an American. Look at all that. Okay, fuck you. I said that because of the... I don't know. That little monster just screamed hardcore American to me. But, that's Shooty Skies. I give this game 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Very nice. Game review. Hi, welcome to your personal laboratory. I'm your assistant. I'll show you around. This is the constructor's main window. On the left side, you have categories of different elements. On the right, you have control buttons. Start simulation, start save assembly, load previously created assemblies, element deletion, mode, element configure mode. Oh, please, I'm going to have to create the levels. To begin construction, you have to select the category and element in the category. Having selected element, press empty area on the screen and element will be created. Are you kidding me? Excellent, you just created it. Okay. Hehe. Ah. So I have to create a level. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, I'll try one thing. I'll try one thing at least. But I get the feeling like I don't know why I can't zoom out. But oh, that's cool. I can lift it up. Oh, no, I didn't want another block. Oh, that is way. Oh, that's how to delete it. Okay, well. That's not what I meant to do, you fucking piece of shit. I'm trying to lift. I have to hold that, don't I? Okay, so I can't do that. Nope. I want it. This marble won't do anything without getting up there. I need to. Oh, okay, so this is what to do. There. Now that will help that get up there. Oh, I get it. This is to turn it. Okay, so that turns, I can make that turn, and then I think I could, maybe, if there's a pipe, no, a pipe's the other one. I can get a pipe. That would be cool. If I can put that right here, put that like that. Okay, I don't think that'll work, but need another fan. Excuse you, I didn't click that. I was on the fucking mechanics thing. How did you do that? Stop doing that! What the fuck are you doing? I want this one over here. Stop that. I'm not trying to do this. What are you trying to do? What the fuck? Okay, now it's... maybe it's because I clicked that thing. Unclick that thing. I didn't mean to put that there. Where did that come from? Seriously? Okay, let's see what happens next. Yeah, that didn't even work anyways. Oh! Okay, well, that's it. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know how this game is fucking up like this, but sure, save. Let me fucking type. Fuck you, how about that? Okay, yep, that's the end of this. So, this game's pretty fucking shit. Its controls aren't working, and... I'm not a builder, I can't make things, I'm bad at this. So even if this game actually worked fucking perfectly, I wouldn't be good at it anyways, but that's not the reason me rating it low. It's rating low because its controls are shit, it's not letting me do anything, and... Nah, I'll give it a 4 for creativity. That's a creative concept, but it won't let me go back to the thing to control the thing, so kinda shit. So, game review. Oh, okay, this game, why does it sound creepy? I don't want, is this a creepy game? This is a horror game, because this is, oh, okay. This reminds me of V. I'm getting so many achievements, it's just like Suicideville. But, oh, okay. Oh yeah, this was supposed to be a horror game. Oh. Okay. Well, okay, what's going on? Why is the screen getting darker? Okay, why it's going black? This reminds me of Getting Over It. This game just creeping me out. Okay. How the fuck do you get over it? This one seems, I don't know, this one just seems closer. Boink. Boink. Oh, jump. Quit giving me achievements, goddammit. Make up your mind which way you're gonna go. I'm not... Whoa! Finally! Made it up here. Jump. Oh, what is that noise? Why is it doing that? What? How? Come on. Come on. You can only barely touch it and don't have enough time to freaking hit it. What did you just bounce me, or is that... See, you can't... This, oh, really? What the fuck? I swear this is supposed to be a horror game. This is more like... Well, it was creeping me out, but it's more of a rage game. Come on. Click it! Oh my god, I wish you would quit doing that. Changing the freaking colors. Because if it has nothing to do with the gameplay, what's the point? Literally, what's the point? Oh, come on. I would have made it if you didn't fucking quit freaking changing from white to black. You're not Michael Jackson. God damn it. Oh, okay, I just really don't know how you keep doing that. But, oh, fuck you. Fuck you. No, don't you fucking fall! You keep not moving in the direction that I'm pointing. How did you didn't even make the jump that time. What the fuck? Make the jump. Okay, that time it's just because I'm... Is it because it's kind of moving like that? Is that affecting how far I can jump up there? Okay, I'm just gonna wait till the fucking shit... Come on, hit it. What the fuck? Sometimes you want to do something, then other times... Really? Are the achievements unlocked supposed to be telling me something? Because I'm not gonna keep paying attention to the achievements just because they keep saying words now. It was smiley faces and emojis, but now it's words. Fuck you. Fuck. Come on. My god. Oh my god. Just what? Just do it. Yeah, how about that? Yes, yes. Maybe if I just keep pressing against it and jumping it, maybe it'll work. I can't see the third one. All trade. Nope. Oh, come on. I pressed jump. Come on, keep, come on. I was doing it. Do it! Okay, now you just spelling the alphabet in the freaking achievements. I don't know if you can see it, but fucking jump off of... Oh, I was about to get so pissed if you just fell right back down there. Oh, you fucking... Get up there. Don't you even... How do you do that? Do you switch back and forth? No! Do you switch back and forth or something? I was trying to do that. No, oh, hey, stay. Okay, I and M do not go next to each other in the alphabet. I don't know what kind of alphabet you're thinking. N and P do not go next to each other either. You're doing that all out. Is it like... No! Mario? Because... What? No! I think I might be getting it. Can I just saying letters? If I push up against the wall with the side that... Like that. Maybe that's what it is. Some instructions on that would have been nice. It said that, but it didn't specify that. Oh my god, stupid... Quit changing back and forth. Oh my god. No, fuck this bullshit game. Fuck it. Not like that. No. This game's... It's stupid. It's trying to be... I swear, one of the tags was horror. Where's the horror? It's just creepy music and rage-inducing game. It's trying to be like getting over it, but scary. Scary. Yeah, it scared me at first. Sure. Yeah. Good job. So, yeah, this is a game review. If I knew this was horror related, I would have put it in the next episode, which is going to be horror themed, horror game themed, new horror games that is. So, game review. Game review. I give this game a 5. It's bullshit, but it's nice. I would say it gave me the creeps. Better than the last game I played, whatever that was. What was that last game I played? Oh, that Marble Run 2D bullshit. I don't even think I said the name in that part of it, but that was Marble Run 2D. That's what it was called. But I think I could give that one a 5. I think that one deserves a 3. If this one's a 5, that one's a 3. Shooty Skies is the first one, and that one is the best. So that was this episode of meme review. That was this episode of game review. So if you guys enjoyed this game review, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know you did, and subscribe. Oh, this music's gonna creepy. Why? Subscribe for next episode of game review. See ya. Oh, I swear, sometimes when you see, you go one direction, then you go the next direction. You have to, like, in midair, you have to freaking switch the buttons. That's stupid. Cause watch this. I'm pressing left. I kept pressing left. If you want to do that, you have to press left and then right. That's how you play this game. But yeah, like I said, I'm done with this game.